us. I bet it's just death in this.
Yes, I deserve death more than living in such cruelty.
I just wish we are given the same rights as theirs, that we don't need to be sold for our labor.
Are you afraid?
I wouldn't be. It's all I need to do.
Don't be my friend. It's our fate to be like this. It's in our blood to be for sale Africans. Just think that destiny lead us here.
He's right. Instead of worrying, let's just be thankful that we're still alive despite of our situation.
When we start to sail, it will be fun. You know, it's more fun with the ship. Absolutely. You, Miggy, and Francis will go along the way.
Is there a need? After we get to our destination, we will be parted away. It seems to me that these men are man-eater, and soon they'll cut and eat us. Is it possible?
Oh no, they're not cannibals. They're just taller, even bigger than us.
Hey, take this. Let me. It's good for you. You won't die of it. It's just plain beverage. All of us have tasted it.
Thank you. How I hope I'm on my own country. Living in my own land, for its own progress and not for others' welfare. I want to serve my nation and invest all my dreams, but the chances didn't make it possible. I wish my freedom is just a step away from us slavery won't exist anymore. I pray that humanity is so huge as the ocean that no one can see. I'll be missing my home, from where we were molded, but I'll make my steps back to you, my dear country.
Come with us.
Where are we going?
You stay here.
Oh, Dad, I've been longing for you since my life in this evil place started. Will you really come take me?
It is if you want your strength back. Huh. You're just giving your own wounds, babe.
Eat this.
You'll eat your pride instead.
You want to escape? You think we're stupid? So let's go!
That's what you deserve for attempting to betray us. You are not permitted to eat all day.
Please, forgive us. Enough.
We won't do that again.
Allow us to eat even once, please.
Let's go back together, slave!
Do they have their own country?
Of course.
But why are they living here?
Because theirs are very distant.
And you never heard of them?
We're very far.
How about the women? Are there women in their country?
But of course.
Then where? From the very first day here, I never saw any woman of their race.
Because we were left behind. Only men are here.
I see. How far will the ship go?
We don't have idea. Come on. Let's bring this cargo to the slave ship. This cargo is so heavy. Let's put it there.
We need fresh air to breathe.
The ship is now full of cargoes.
Let's just pray we can survive it.
But the smell, I don't think we can take it. We don't know how far the ship will go.
Hey, the tea's come. Let's cut some fish to eat.
Good idea. I'm hungry. Ready to eat. I'm excited to taste some of those fishes.
Oh, likewise. I'm sure stomach would be very glad of those.
This is many uncooked leftovers. I think they're enough for us.
I ate a lot.
Can you
this? Some? They're so hungry.
Why? Did you contribute in touching this? We're just asking for some to feed our stomach.
Please, have pity.
No, these fishes deserve to be freed than even by you, hungry slaves.
Hey! What are you doing there, huh?
Sorry.
You slave!
I just want something to feed our empty stomach.
This fishes is not for you.
Wake up. I have plans to climbing this good. You wanna go with me? I know what to do. Are you sure? But it's dangerous. You might be caught. I'd rather face danger and risk my life for freedom than staying here without even trying. Besides, is there any difference? We still have the reason to hurt us. So why worry? I understand. Okay, I'll go with you.
Hey! Shut and find them!
Obviously, go to the deck now! Go back!
What happened? Where are the others?
They were all drowned. Only he survived.
So, you know what to do. Any of you who will try or even think of what they did, I'm telling you, think as many as you can.
Come on, let's drink. Yes. Yes. Then. I think we're near to our destination. Let's see. We need to check.
I'm nervous.
Those people may eat us soon. They're too big.
Go back to the deck. Hurry. Go.
What should we do?
I don't know. I'm scared. Soon, our flesh will be served as a meal.
Stop all your suspicion. You're not making any sense. You will work on land. You'll be seeing many of your countrymen when we arrive there. Don't fool yourselves. You are expected to be efficient and effective workers. Go!
It's right.
Yeah.
We have those kind of horses in our country. We also have
I never seen any horses in my own land.
Why not? Actually, those are horses are similar to ours.
of different kinds.
Any minutes from now, I'll be sold and forced to work for those Americans.
How lucky they are to have the privilege. I will pay them. But I'm still wishing that fate will have mercy and make way to end up this kind of situation.
Wait, you'll be a slave here. Just land.
Oh, I like this.
Let go of me. I want to be with my brother.
Stop! He will work separate from you!
I guess this is the end of our friendship. But it's time for
I could stop this life.